Hi guys, and welcome back to my Plan of Perfection. This is Nikita, and today I'm going to be planning the week of the 26th of February. Yeah, so we're going into March. That is just crazy. Yeah, so I'm going to address the elephant in the room, which is this nail, before we get started. I put a fresh set of nails on. I lost my nail. And my boyfriend has, I think, thrown this set away, so I've not got any spare to put on. So I think what I'm going to do, I think I've got a similar colour, so I'm either going to try and match it up or just paint them. But yeah, we shall see. So this week is going to be a nail kit spread. I'm sure I've been talking about doing this. And yeah, so, okay. Me and the kids have been talking a lot about Pokemon lately, so I thought this adorable little Bulbasaur with like the little spring flowers would be perfect to mark, because it's just feeling a bit more springy now. And I have brought this Simply Gilded washi tape in to match, which I think is going to go really nicely. I do have some green Phyllo Fabulous date dots, so why not use those, right? I've got this little sheet from Lily Blossom Designs. Yeah, it was from a February foil fix from about 3 years ago. And this is like a really nice mint foil. And I do think it matches quite nicely with the Simply Gilded bowl washi. I do have some Josephine bowl date dots, and these are Hobonichi sized, but I'm just going to use them in this spread. And these are in mint with silver foil. And then I've just got some boxes for some, you know, what I might need. Yeah, I'll probably bring them in. I thought this pink matches the flowers on the washi quite well, so I might try and bring in just a smidgen of pink. But yeah, so how is everyone? I hope you're all well. And I hope you're all having a lovely day. So if you haven't seen my March setup, this is how it turned out, and I love it. I love it so much. Yeah. So I have marked my pages, and I'm going to do a horizontal spread, I think. So I am going to start by putting the Bulbasaur washi tape down. And this washi tape is from, I think it's a tattoo artist, Bex Loves Tattoos or something like that. But I don't think it's in stock anymore, which is a shame, because she did the evolutions, and I really wanted them, and I went to get them. It's alright, I've just had a little message and I was being nosy then and reading it. Yeah, she did do the Gen 1 starter like evolution washi, and I went to buy it and it was all sold out and I was devastated. But yeah, I'm sure I did a spread like this not long ago, around this time last year in my B6 Stalogy. Okay, that's cute, so let's do, and I am doing 2 days to a page. Sorry guys, I'm itching. That's better. It's coming to pollen season, isn't it? And don't I know about it. If any of you guys like suffer with allergies and stuff, you'll know what I mean. You start itching and oh, it's just not fun. Don't know. Do you know what? This might be something that's completely a me thing, but I feel like Stalogy used to be really good, the paper, like it was resilient. And I do still think it's resilient, but I feel like it's been ripping a bit more with like my washi and my stickers, and I feel like it wasn't doing that before. But maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm just feeling a bit rough. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, you know what, I think I need to get my blade. Oh, my tweezers do it. Definitely need my blade. I don't even know why I did that. Just to slice down a little bit. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like that's a bit better. Yeah, the paper just feels a bit temperamental. So I think I'm gonna put this down going through the middle. I don't know if I'm gonna bother with bottom washi or not. We shall see. I'm hoping all these greens are going to look really pretty though. I do like that. But yeah, I'm not even doing headers or anything. I just really felt like I've got all this washi tape and I just want to use it, you know. So I might do a few more spreads like this. I feel like it's a lot more versatile as well, especially with I was just reading another message. It's one of the PR groups that I'm on, so I'm just trying to read them as the messages come through. But yeah, what was I saying? I've completely lost my train of thought. I think, yeah, I've remembered. Yeah, I'm just trying to use a few less kits and maybe a bit more washi. Well, that's what I would like to do, I think. Especially with like cost of living and all that kind of stuff. It's just nice to try and find a way, I'm going to use my blade, to still enjoy our planners, isn't it, without spending a fortune on weekly kits. Okay. I love that. So what I'm going to do now is get my... I've got to decide which colour I want to use. I think I'm going to go... Do I want to go... I think I want to go dark. And then we've got date dots. So let's just... It is the 26th, wasn't it? Yeah. So we need to go on the 27th. I love it. Yeah, I'm trying a lot. I mean, I know I've just done a big haul, but that haul was like, you know, a couple of months worth. But I am trying to shop my stash as much as possible, because it just seems silly, doesn't it? To keep spending money when we've got so much already, or at least to me it does anyway. I mean, if you are spending like it's going out of fashion, do you know what? More power to you, because I am terrible for doing that. And I'm just trying to control it a bit more. Okay, stop being nosy, that's what I need to stop doing. I do want to put a box down to say this week. Or maybe the month. I don't know what I want to do. I think I'm going to come back to my this week section. So let's do, I think these are going to be quite nice to just pop in the corner. I do think these kind of date covers, they're perfect for like journals and stuff. They're just like, they do the job. You know what I mean? They're cute. They tell you what day it is, but they don't take up a lot of room. Which, when I've done a horizontal spread in this before, I have struggled because of the size of the date cover that I've used. Because like I use the standard, like the ones that fit like the Erin Condren. Is it standard vertical people call them? Let me check I've done that the same. Yeah. Panic stations then. But I'm gonna do, spoiler, I've got I've got 2 Josephine Bowl orders. I picked up the bundle, which I've seen there's been like 1,000 unboxings of, but I'm still going to do my own because I want to. And God, I am popular today. Yeah, I've seen a bunch of unboxings, but I'm still going to do my own. But I've got one of the sale orders, so I'm gonna probably stick that in with it as well. So I think I am gonna upload a Josephine bowl like full. So I'm just gonna write hello March. So I really do need to figure out what I'm going to do up here. I want to use one of these lily pads, I know that much. Maybe I'll just trap my dinner or something, you know. We'll see. Okay, so I've got these tiny little dots, and I'm hoping they're going to be my friend, and I'm just going to pop a couple down on each day, maybe 5. Let's see. Kind of want to give myself enough room to write, because I do tend to have big writing. I keep trying to write smaller, but yeah, I'm just not great. Oops. Just not great at small writing, unfortunately. Okay, so, oh, I'm glad I didn't put any bottom washi down. Okay, so how does that look? Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and put these down on every day, because I feel like if you just watch me do that for like the next 10 minutes, it's going to get a bit boring. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I've got my dots down, but of course, when I was measuring, I didn't think to account for the fact that the washi is thicker than like this part here. So I can only get 4 dots on the top, but I'll probably just tuck this in my planner at the front, and if I need any more dots, I can just add them. I suppose the same goes for the bottom as well. But I think I want to foil this washi up a bit. So I'm going to use some of the bowls and just maybe put them, maybe give Bulbasaur a little bow. Because why not, right? I think that'll be cute. Let's see. Just like that. And I just think can you see it all? Yeah, you can kind of see this one. I don't know about that one. But it's so cute. And let's do the same over here. So cute. I love Bulbasaur anyway. I think he's like, he's quite sassy. I feel like I'm adding more bowls on this one, but that's okay. So I think I've not decided what I'm going to do with this. I might just plan my dinners. Let's do that. Maybe let's do a bowl just to break it up a bit. So if we do 7 of these bowls, hopefully I'm hoping they'll all kind of fit together and I don't have to do 2 rows. Oops. Because I'm thinking I might have a cute sticker to put there, I'm not sure. But if I do, it will be later. It won't be right now. But if I do put it, I can always like put it on my Instagram, so you guys can still see it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we might do it. Yeah, I like that. So then I can just write. I suppose I could do it here now, couldn't I? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, and then that can be my dinners or whatever. But oh, do I want to put some washi along there? I kind of want to. I've just heard Paul's alarm going off because he's having a nap. So he'll be awake. Well, he should be awake now. He knows I'm filming though, so he'll wait for me to tell him that it's safe. Okay, I kind of need to peel this sticker up, don't I? Oh no, I ripped it. Was this a bad idea? Do you know what? I've got a little nail thing here that might get it up. The dogs are awake. I've just heard the dog at the door. Okay. I think I'm happy with that. Yeah, I like that a lot. So yeah, guys, that is the finished spread and I absolutely love it. I would love to do some more spreads like this, so definitely keep your eyes peeled. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and it'd be absolutely amazing if you decided to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.